Hi, I'm Laurie Oberman, CEO of Talking Business. If you've been following my YouTube channel, you'll have seen first conditionals. If you pay immediately, we will send the goods today. And second conditionals, which are more theoretical. If you doubled your order, we would give you a better price. There is, however, a third kind of conditional which we use with modals. What are modals? Modals are these kinds of words: can, could, should, and may, might, and must. There are two advantages of making conditionals using modals. Number one, with the first and second conditionals, we had to remember whether to use present simple if you pay today, or past simple if you paid today, depending on the situation as I explained in those clips. With modals, it doesn't matter. If you pay, we can. If you paid, we can. Secondly, because of the nature of the words can, could, should, may, might, must, because of the nature of these words, you are not committing yourself to anything. They are very useful in a negotiation because you've not promised anything, even if the other side does make their offer. So, let me give you some examples. If you pay in advance, we can offer you a substantial discount. We can. I'm not saying we will, but we can. You see, a very useful strategy. We might be able to include shipping costs if you sign a long-term contract with us. Again, we might be able to, not we will, or we're going to. We should be able to offer you the old price if you pay before the end of the month. Should be able to. If it doesn't work out, I never promised it. If you want the full service warranty, you must specify it in your order. So, modals in conditionals. Good luck with your negotiations. Don't forget to press the subscribe button, and I'll be back again soon with another tip. Bye for now.